Today I'm sharing with you a powerful DIY recipe that can transform your hair care routine. A natural hair growth oil that is easy to make and yet powerful. So if today is your first time viewing this channel, do where to subscribe, thumb up, and then I have a lot of videos in this channel where I show you how to make DIY skincare products, how to take care of your skin in general at home. So our first ingredient is onion. We'll start by peeling our onions. Onions that you see improve blood circulation to the scalp. It's strengthening your hair and prevent hair falling. You get. So also it's rich in sulfur. Like it's a goody when it comes to hair growth, thick hair, like preventing hair breakage and all of that. So we are using onions. I think this is called red onions. I don't know why purple onion is called red onion, like it's purple. Anyways, use the quantity that you want. There's no measurement for this. I'm just using half of this small onion for this recipe. So this recipe is suitable for those of us that are suffering from hair breakage or hair not growing at all, like your hair have stopped growing, or bald hair, or you don't even have hair at all, like you want to grow your hair. So this is a very powerful oil. If you stick to this oil, guys, trust me, you will love your hair. Like, you can also use the back of the onion to make hairspray, but we are not going to do that today. So after that, we are going to use our next ingredient, which is garlic. That is the garlic right there, peeling. Garlic contains selenium and sulfur as well, which help to nourish and cleanse the scalp. Garlic also contains antimicrobial property, which help in getting rid of dandruff and treating damaged scalp. Like, so a combination of garlic and onion is like a power couple when it comes in terms of stimulating hair growth and then preventing hair shredding. So you do want to try this recipe. So I get a lot of questions from my subscribers or from those that watch my videos about training. Of course, we train on how you can make your own skincare product from scratch, pro mixing and all of that, everything skincare and hair care. So a lot of you people will just message me that they are interested in the skincare training, and then when I send them the course outline plus the price, they will be like, they thought it's free. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Free training? Who will give you good thing for free? Like, come to think of it. So we do train, but you pay for the training. Okay, thank you. So I used half of the onion I was cutting, and then about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic in this. Like I said, there's no recipe. You can decide to use full onion or just half. You can decide to use any amount of clove of garlic you want or you have. So at this point, I'll be using cold pressed coconut oil. This is extra virgin coconut oil. Is very good. I love using coconut oil in making hair oil or hair cream because it gives that scent. I love the scent, and then it's so beneficial as well. So if you don't have coconut oil, you can use any carrier oil of your choice, being it almond oil, being it shea oil, being it shea butter. You can melt your shea butter and use it also, being it a lot of all these carrier oils. Any carrier oil that you know you have, olive oil, you can use it. So put your carrier oil until your garlic and onion are completely soaked in. Then you go ahead and double boil this. I prefer double boiling. You can use it directly on heat. Just don't let your garlic and onion burn, like very low heat. But I double boil mine, and don't worry about the remnants of water or anything is not going to be there. Like, just double boil it, let the onion and garlic let them soften in your oil, and that's all. You can know that when your coconut oil change scent. Keep stirring occasionally while it's on heat, and then strain your oil out, and you have your hair growth oil, like effective hair growth oil. So if you're watching up to this point, thank you very much for watching this video, and then let me know if you tried this. So whenever you're applying this, massage it thoroughly on your hair, let it sink in. So that's all for this video. Bye.